your old phone can still keep up in 2026? Think again. While nostalgia is tempting, but using a decade-old handset could put you at serious security risk unless you know which vintage models are actually safe to use. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. New boxed iPhones older than the 12 are nearly impossible to find, but Android fans can still snag Samsung Galaxy S22, Google Pixel 7, or OnePlus 12 series phones. But availability isn't the whole story. Support is what really matters. A phone that no longer gets security updates is a hacker's playground. For Apple users, the oldest device that received security patches last year was the iPhone 6s from 2015. But if you want daily usability and app compatibility, you'll want at least an iPhone 11 which can run iOS 26. On Android, the oldest safe phones are the Pixel 4, Galaxy S20, and OnePlus 9 families, running Android 13. But to run the latest Android 16, look for Pixel 6, Galaxy S22, or OnePlus 11. Sure, retro fans love the charm of older devices. The iPhone 4 even has a cult following for its classic Y2K style camera. But if you want to actually use your phone daily, security updates are non-negotiable. If you're really using older phones just for the vibe, they should stay offline and free of sensitive data. In short, if you depend on your phone for almost everything, the iPhone 11 or Google Pixel 6 is your safest bet. Anything older than that may be fun to show off, but not to actually use. 2026, nostalgia won't protect your personal data. For more tech details, subscribe to GadInsider. Like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. The smartphone industry has evolved a lot during the recent years. Companies are coming up with their latest models every now and then. Competition has given the users some really cool features and innovative products like foldables, high refresh rate displays, powerful chipsets, and advanced camera features. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Catering to photography enthusiasts, gamers, and everyday users in the same manner, these phones are setting new standards for smartphones. Here, we've brought the trending phones of 2025 that are gaining their place in the tech world with AI features, sleek design, and fast connectivity. On number 5, we have OnePlus 13T 5G, which is a blend of style and speed, featuring a crisp AMOLED display, a refined alert slider, and Oxygen OS 15. Not only this, it comes with fast charging and polished software. Due to these specs, it's made it to the fan favorite list among Android users this year. Next in line is the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. It offers unbeatable value to its users with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 144Hz AMOLED display, and 120-watt fast charging. It's quite budget-friendly and has earned praise for delivering flagship features at a lower cost as compared to its rival. The third spot is covered by Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro 5G. What does it bring to the table? Well, Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro 5G has a unique design with interchangeable back covers, an Android experience, and 5G connectivity are the reasons it's in the top 3. Only 2 spots are left without any mention of iPhones. Well, on number 2, we have Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. With slightly larger display, titanium edges, and the A18 Bionic chip with enhanced AI capabilities, it's already a fan favorite of iPhone fans. Not only this, its improved periscope zoom and spatial video recording make it ideal for creators as well. The top place is secured by Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra remained in the lead with its refined titanium body, 200-megapixel quad camera system, and Galaxy AI features. It also offers stunning visuals, long battery life, and powerful performance to become a top favorite for productivity and mobile photography fans. That was our list. Which one's your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Top 6 smartphones to buy under 30,000 Indian rupees. The Indian smartphone market offers a wide range of devices under 30,000 rupees, making it a challenging task to choose the best one. Here are the top 6 smartphones under 30,000 rupees, including their key specifications and worthiness to buy that you mustn't miss with this price. Vivo V30. If you're looking for a smartphone with the best camera and optimization under 30,000 rupees, then Vivo V30 is a decent option. It comes with 128GB or 256GB of storage, a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels, a 64MP primary sensor, and a 44MP front camera. The device packs a 4500 mAh battery with fast charging support and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset. POCO F6. The POCO F6 is a better option if you're willing to buy a smartphone that provides efficient performance. It features 128GB or 256GB of storage, a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels, a 64MP primary sensor, and a 20MP front camera. The device packs a 4500 mAh battery supporting fast charging and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset. OnePlus 11R. The OnePlus 11R is one of the best options that offers smooth operations with upgraded user interface. It comes with 128GB or 256GB of storage, a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 into 2412 pixels, a 50MP primary sensor, and a 16MP front camera. The device packs a 5000 mAh battery supporting fast charging and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. Realme GT6T. The Realme GT6T is another strong contender that you can choose if you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with an all-rounder in the specification. It features 128GB or 256GB of storage, a 6.62-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels, a 50MP primary sensor, and a 16MP front camera. The device packs a 4500 mAh battery supporting fast charging and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. iQOO Neo 7 Pro. If you're a hardcore gamer considering buying a smartphone with good storage, then you should go for iQOO Neo 7 Pro because it's also worth considering. This smartphone offers 128 or 256GB of storage, a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a 50MP primary sensor, and a 16MP front camera. The device packs a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. Moto Edge 50 Pro. Moto Edge 50 Pro is a good option that features 128 or 256GB of storage, a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a 50MP primary sensor, and a 32MP front camera. The device packs a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging support and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. MWC 2024, revealing the best smartphone nominees. The commencement of the Mobile World Congress 2024 in Barcelona, Spain on February 26 heralds the arrival of the Global Mobile Awards nominees across various categories. These encompass mobile tech, digital everything, devices, tech for good, government leadership, and outstanding achievement. Now, let's delve into some of the awards and the contenders vying for them. To kick things off, let's explore the nominees for the esteemed Best Smartphone Award. GLOMO has curated a select group comprising the Apple iPhone 15 Pro models, Google Pixel 8 series, OnePlus Open, Oppo Find N3, Samsung Galaxy S23 series, and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's intriguing to witness the inclusion of both foldable and conventional phones in this assortment. As a gentle reminder, the reigning champion from last year was the iPhone 14 Pro. Turning our attention to the Breakthrough Device Innovation Award, we encounter some prominent names among the contenders. Google garners attention for its AI imaging capabilities and commitment to delivering extended software support for Pixel phones. Furthermore, Honor, the Chinese entity, earns recognition for its groundbreaking silicon-carbon dual battery technology featured in the Magic V2. The OnePlus Open, boasting Oxygen OS 13.2 Open Canvas, and the Oppo Find N3, equipped with ColorOS 13.2 Canvas Shift, also secure nominations for offering similar multitasking functionality on foldable devices. Lastly, Qualcomm earns a nod with its cutting-edge chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Within the device category, another accolade beckons, the Best Connected Consumer Device. This category celebrates an everyday consumer electronic device or gadget that brings new and smart applications, efficiencies, and functionality to the user. It encompasses cameras, household appliances, gaming consoles, music players, and more. A standout mention in this domain is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. MWC Barcelona 2024 begins on February 26th and ends on February 29th. This year introduces a fresh award, perhaps unsurprising given the recent surge in interest surrounding artificial intelligence in mobile technology. The inaugural edition is the Best AI Innovation Award, spotlighting the potential for using generative AI for positive improvements in the mobile sector. Among the contenders are Qualcomm, lauded for its Qualcomm AI engine, and Pangu Weather, recognized for pioneering the first AI weather forecasting model to surpass traditional NWP methods.